amongst us is the bravest and the strongest. So they decided the competition.
Let me begin with a short story. There were two persons who were struggling to make their careers. They faced a lot of hardships in their life, lot of struggle and hopelessness. One said that life is so unfair, it's difficult, I won't make it. But on the other hand, the other person said, yes, it's unfair.
From my research, I will explain this small concept about how to deal with them in 5 simple steps. So the first one is awareness, second one is replace, third one is to take action, fourth one is to surround yourself with good people, and the last one is gratitude.
We welcome you all to the Speaking Championship 2025 organized by our Honorable Judge Dr. Ruben Singh and as well as our Wabstalk whole team. हर एक शुरुआत एक अनजान होता है, हर सफर का एक मकान होता है। आज के इस जबरदस्त स्पीच कंपटीशन का भी एक ग्रैंड कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन का नाम होता है।
So, as I said in the beginning during the announcements, the best anchor will be chosen by you. You will choose people. You will choose a champion. So, the best anchor will be declared by public voting. People's champion is what I'm talking about. Top 3 speakers will be chosen by me because they require careful analysis and evaluation. And here are these.